I'm absolutely thrilled to be here today to reveal the Tops Tiles Tile of the Year 2019, and it is this gorgeous Lampas Peacock tile, which is in this really delicious deep teal. So this is really picking up on a trend that I think has been slowly cementing itself in interior design, this love of creating schemes that feel quite dramatic and cosseting, and this particular shade is just absolutely perfect. So what I really love about this tile is, well, first of all, the colour. It's such a brilliant colour. This sort of teal has a real warmth and depth to it, which is just gorgeous for any interior design scheme. It's also got kind of a lovely handmade feel about it. This sort of distressed edge is gorgeous. And then the high gloss finish means it really does add a bit of glamour and bounce the light around the room. So we've incorporated the tile in a really on-trend look. You'll notice there are quite a few different styles clashing together here. Like, we've got the very classic kind of brick bond tile layout, but then we've got kind of a Victorian floor. But then I'm loving the fact we're mixing it with a little nod to mid-century furniture, but check out the pink basin. I mean, for me, that is just a complete favourite. Gold taps are the total must-have accessory in any modern bathroom. But here's a really nice detail. This brass trim that runs all the way around the room. Too often, I think bathrooms get overlooked, and I would encourage anyone to treat the bathroom like you would any other room in your home. Really layer on the pattern, the colour, the texture, the interest, really pay attention to the styling. And not only that, this gorgeous colour, this beautiful Lampas Peacock could be used in lots of spaces in your home. In a hallway, boot room, cloakroom, even the kitchen, and it will bring an injection of that gorgeous colour to every area in your home. So that's why the Lampas Peacock is the tile of the year. It can be used to create schemes that are really dramatic and very on trend, but at the same time, it's really timeless and classic.